Learn about one of the most popular ways to make money online that works for anyone who has access to the internet, regardless of where they are in the world. There is no need for social media followers, social networking, affiliate marketing, or anything else, because all you need to do is copy and paste some text. You do not even need to have any previous work experience in order to pursue this. You want to know how, and in this video, I'll show you an approach that you may not have thought of before that will help you generate money quickly. Make sure to watch through to the conclusion of this video so that you can learn how to make money quickly and effortlessly using the 3 websites that I will show you how to use. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave them in the comments below. You've come to the right place if you're looking for information on how to make money from Google News. This could be the simplest way to generate money online without having to sell anything or perform any marketing. You won't need to construct a website or a YouTube channel if you use this strategy. To be precise, you don't require any kind of social following or audience. To generate money with this strategy, all you have to do is follow the instructions I'm about to show you in this video. Yes, it's that easy. In this piece, I'll teach you how to use this strategy to earn $100, $500, or even $1,000 in only 4 easy steps. I'll walk you through each stage in great detail. So let's start with the video and let me tell you how you can earn money in the simplest ways. As a result, the first step is to go to google.com. The second step involves navigating the site in order to look for Google News. Allow me to leave you with a little piece of advice. You can see that there is a domain, news.google.com, that includes the most recent and most up-to-date news, as you can see in this example. This is the first web page that you will find when you search for anything. Similar to a newspaper, you may discover a broad range and a large number of different subjects and news items on this website. If you're searching for entertainment news, science news, health news, sports news, technology news, business news, or anything else that catches your interest, you'll find it right here on this page. I want you to concentrate only on business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health, among the other areas listed above. Now, I want you to go to the health section. It will be clear from the results, however, that the most recent and important news stories pertaining to health will be shown to you. Please feel free to explore and scroll down to locate an article that interests you. Consider this article as an example. Just click on the article and then copy the material from it in the same manner as shown before. After that, we'll be ready to go on to step 3, which will require us to visit another website, which we'll do next. I'd want you to go to spinbot.com and do this step. Spinbot will be the website that will do the magic for you in this case. Alternatively, you may copy and paste the text of the article into the area supplied. When you're finished, Bata will completely rewrite your article and you will have an altogether new piece of content that is unique and creative. You will be using those articles on 3 other websites, which I will cover with you in further detail shortly after this. These websites will, of course, compensate you for your articles, and some of them will even compensate you with money for each and every word that appears in the article. Using the article that has been rebuilt, you will now put this knowledge to good use as we go on to the following 3 websites where you will begin making money right now. It is your responsibility to submit the rebuilt articles to the first website that I will demonstrate, but if you want to, you may even design your own articles and send them yourself. The website's domain name is eatingwell.com. You may not like writing lengthy articles or news columns, and this is understandable. Thus, I told you about Spinbox, since you can simply utilize articles that you may find online and then rebuild them using the website. And eatingwell.com will pay you up to $1 per word if you do so. Consider the following scenario. Your article is 1,000 words long, and you'll get paid $1 per word. That's probably the simplest $1,000 you've ever earned in your life. Because all you had to do was copy and paste the material. You could do it in less than 30 minutes or less. If you're still a little perplexed, allow me to demonstrate how to really submit an article to both this site and eatingwell.com. Navigate through the website until you reach the bottom of the page where you will find the email address of the company under the title Contact Us. Now, copy that email address and paste it into the recipient line of your email correspondence. Create an email using the content of the rebuilt article as the body of the message. Finally, include the phrase article submission in the subject line. Your message is complete, and all that is left is for you to do is press the send button. After a period of time, they will send you an email asking for your payment details if they liked your post after reviewing it, which you will have to provide. In order to get payment using PayPal, you must provide them with your bank account information in order to receive payment. However, for those who don't have a PayPal account or choose not to be paid via PayPal, you may collect your money by transferring it to your bank account by wire transfer. Simply provide them with your bank account details and the money will be available for you. However, this is not the end of the story. Besides these websites, there are a number of others where you may submit your articles, which brings us to the second website that I'll be discussing with you today. You now have a fresh article in your own words that you may use to make money in 3 different ways. The first technique to generate money from Google News that you've probably heard of is to create a free website with Google Sites, GrooveFunnels, Wix, or another free website builder and publish a large number of articles. This is a long-term business plan, and you will make money on the back end by advertising affiliate products or eventually inserting adverts on your site. The second option is to create a video from this article using tools such as Pictory.ai. You can make a video in 5 minutes here. Simply paste the article into the box, and the AI will pick the appropriate film and music, complete with captions and even a voiceover. Then you upload the video to your channel and wait for people to see it. This method is likewise long-term, with earnings generated mostly from affiliate links or advertisements. I have a better solution for you. You do not need to construct websites or publish videos in this environment. There are websites that will compensate you for your content. Some of them will pay you up to $1 for a word. If you have a 1,000-word article, as most of them are, you can make up to $1,000 for each one. In the video below, I demonstrate a couple of those websites and how they function. The whole list of websites that will pay you at least $100 per article may be found below this video. Consider this: if you create such articles on your own, you can do them in a matter of minutes, if not hours. You can earn at least $100 a day if you write 1 article per day. Most of those websites will pay you far more. SierraClub.org is the second website where you may make money by submitting rebuilt articles. It is similar to the first website. Simply visit there as your website and you will be able to find out all you need to know. Read the directions and then follow them to the letter. Then, lastly, send your content to them through their provided email address. Simply repeat the procedure that you went through when you were eating healthily, but this time you'll be submitting it to SierraClub.org for consideration. Make sure to include your contact information and article submission in the subject line of your email before sending it. As a suggestion, you may broaden your article selections here by including themes connected to technology and science, as opposed to eating properly, where they only accept articles that are linked to health and fitness. So, just return to Google News and look for stories that are linked to these in order to get greater results in terms of earning money. Finally, daily.jstore.org is the last website where you may submit your articles. To do so, just go to their website and read the submission requirements, after which you should follow the procedures provided by them. Although in comparison to the 2 previous websites, this website will only provide you less money, it is still an excellent bargain considering that you don't have to do any work to get it. Aside from that, the website only lets you write up to 2,000 words and pays you 31 cents for each word, which may not seem like much to you. And let me tell you, making 31 cents per word isn't all that awful, considering the circumstances. As a result, you will be able to take advantage of this by writing more articles and making more money quickly. So that's essentially the approach for today's video. Thanks for watching. Follow his instructions. It's quite simple, and you may do this task even if you have no prior knowledge or talents in the field. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. We hope to see you guys again in the next video. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.